Have you ever noticed that getting out of bed in the morning feels harder than it used to? Maybe your legs don't feel quite steady, or you need to hold on to the nightstand before standing up. Perhaps you've realized that simple things like lifting groceries, opening jars, or climbing a few stairs now take more effort than they once did. Many people shrug and say, "Well, I'm just getting older." But the truth is deeper and far more important. That slow loss of strength, the heaviness in your muscles, the feeling that your energy is fading, it is not just age, it's something called sarcopenia, a gradual breakdown of muscle tissue that happens quietly as the years go by. Research shows that after the age of 60, muscle loss can accelerate, stealing away independence, balance, and vitality. By the time someone reaches 70 or 80, sarcopenia is one of the leading reasons people fall, struggle with mobility, and even lose their ability to live on their own. But here's the part most seniors don't realize. Muscle loss doesn't only happen during the day when you're active or inactive. It happens at night, while you sleep. That's right, your body is constantly breaking down and rebuilding muscle 24 hours a day. And if your body doesn't have the fuel it needs, then while you're resting, you may actually be waking up weaker than when you closed your eyes. That's why what you eat before bed can be one of the most powerful tools to protect your strength. And one nutrient stands out above all others: protein. When you think of protein, you might imagine bodybuilders or athletes gulping down shakes. But protein isn't just for the young or the strong. For seniors, protein is medicine. It's the raw material your body uses to repair tissues, rebuild muscle, and keep your metabolism balanced. Without enough protein, especially at night, your body has no choice but to take what it needs from your own muscles. Imagine this. Every night while you sleep, your body is like a construction crew working overtime. Its job is to repair the little damages of the day, rebuild your strength, and prepare you for tomorrow. But if the workers show up and there are no bricks, no materials, what happens? They start tearing down the walls you already built. That's what happens when your body lacks protein at night. Now let's talk about why protein before bed is different from protein during the day. In the morning or afternoon, when you eat protein, your body uses it for energy and daily activity. But at night, your body enters repair mode. During deep sleep, hormones like growth hormone rise, signaling your muscles to rebuild. If you give your body protein before bed, you are literally handing it the bricks and mortar it needs to grow stronger instead of weaker. Science confirms this. Studies have shown that seniors who consume protein-rich snacks before sleep significantly increase muscle protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle, compared to those who don't. In fact, in one clinical trial, older adults who drank a protein shake before bed not only maintained their muscle, but in many cases actually gained strength over time. Think about that for a moment. Something as simple as eating the right food before sleep could protect you from the weakness, the falls, and the loss of independence that so many people accept as normal aging. So what kind of protein should you eat? Not all proteins are equal. The best choices are those that digest slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, throughout the night. Dairy proteins like cottage cheese or Greek yogurt are excellent options. They contain casein, a protein that digests slowly, giving your muscles a gentle supply of nutrients hour after hour while you rest. A small bowl of cottage cheese with berries or Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of seeds can be a powerful bedtime ritual. Eggs are another gentle and highly effective option. A soft-boiled or poached egg before bed provides leucine, the amino acid most responsible for kickstarting muscle growth. Unlike heavy meals, eggs are light, easy to digest, and packed with essential vitamins that support muscle and nerve health. And if you enjoy something warm and soothing before bed, consider a small protein shake made with whey or plant-based protein powder. Add some unsweetened almond milk, maybe a touch of cinnamon, and you have a calming drink that feeds your muscles while helping you relax into sleep. The goal isn't to eat a feast at bedtime, it's to give your body a focused dose of protein, just enough to prevent muscle breakdown and to fuel repair. Now, you might be wondering, but what about digestion? Won't eating before bed upset my stomach? That's a good question. The key is portion size and food choice. Avoid heavy, greasy meals, fried foods, or high-sugar snacks at night. Instead, choose light, protein-focused foods in modest portions. A half cup of cottage cheese, one boiled egg, or a small shake is enough. These won't overload your system. Instead, they'll gently nourish you as you sleep. And here's another important benefit. Protein at night doesn't just protect your muscles, it also stabilizes your blood sugar. Many seniors wake up in the night hungry, restless, or unable to fall back asleep. That's often because blood sugar drops too low. A little protein snack before bed helps keep your levels steady, preventing those 2 a.m. wake-ups and allowing your body to stay in deep, restorative sleep. Let's bring this back to real life. Imagine two seniors, both 70 years old. One eats little or no protein before bed. Over the years, he notices his legs feeling weaker, his balance less steady, and he begins to need support for simple tasks. Eventually, one fall changes everything. The other makes protein a nightly ritual. His muscles remain stronger. He gets out of bed more confidently, enjoys walks, plays with his grandchildren, and maintains his independence far longer. Same age, same years lived, but very different outcomes, all because of a simple bedtime choice. This is why I call protein before bed a gift you give your future self. It's like putting a deposit into your strength bank account every single night. The small effort today adds up to enormous protection tomorrow. So how can you start? Begin simply. Tonight, instead of skipping a snack or reaching for cookies, try half a cup of Greek yogurt. Tomorrow, maybe a soft-boiled egg. The next day, a small shake. Experiment, listen to your body, and make it a ritual. Over time, it won't feel like a task. It will feel like self-care, like tucking your body in with nourishment, the same way you tuck yourself into bed with a blanket. And remember this, your muscles are not gone forever. Even if you feel weaker now than you did 10 years ago, science shows that with the right nutrition, even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond, you can regain strength, you can build muscle, you can feel steady, capable, and confident again. The world often tells us that aging means decline, that weakness is inevitable, that independence is something you eventually lose. But I am here to tell you, that is not the full story. Aging is real, but decline is optional. With the right choices, like eating protein before bed, you can fight back against muscle loss and live with energy, strength, and freedom for many years to come. So, tonight, before you turn off the lights, ask yourself, will I go to bed letting my muscles disappear? Or will I give my body the fuel it needs to stay strong? The choice is yours, my friend, and it's never too late to start. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Senior Wisdom for more health insights designed for seniors like you. And in the comments below, tell us, what bedtime snack will you try tonight to protect your muscles? Remember, your strength is your freedom. Protect it, feed it, and never forget, you still have the power to grow stronger even after 65.